Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix call problem or call sound problem in your device Oppo A57e. So if you're facing any problem related to call or call sound, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix call or call sound problem in your device Oppo A57e.